to Siromer tractors. Recently we've been doing a few part exchanges, as you can see from our row of lovely second-hand tractors we've got here. Just going to have a run through a few of them with you. Hours, prices, condition, etc. So this one here is a 20 horsepower 2-cylinder tractor. This is a 2003 model. So this is one of the earliest tractors that we brought in. This one we've imported since 1999. In fact, the 304 that we currently do is still based on this very early model. This one's fitted with turf tyres, which are in very good condition. A front loader. The front loader has a standard bucket fitted with it, with a quick release bucket. Have a quick look under the bonnet. It's got a 2 headlight. You can tell it's an earlier version. It's the 2 headlights version. Easy to get into the bonnet. You see the 2-cylinder engine in there. All very simple and easy to work on. At the back here we've got the 3-point linkage, which is category 1. Has your flow for any hydraulics, tipping trailers, log splitters, etc. Still fitted with all your road lighting, can be registered for use on the road. It's a creeper gearbox, so it has 3 main gears and a high-low ratio and a creeper. So that gives you extra slow speeds for rotavating, stone burying, hedge trimming. Dials we've got are individual dials. The one we're missing here is the rev counter, but you do have oil pressure, fuel, hours, temperature and an ammeter. Starts up nice and easily. Nice running tractor, would suit anybody's small holding. Nice compact tractor. Tyres can be changed if you want to, for agricultural tyres instead. The price of this one is £5,500, just over 900 hours, 910 hours on this one, 2003. Yeah, get in touch if you need more information on this model.